Hey, Rob Edwards from Design-2-Part here at the Mohegan Sun Convention Center. We're running our trade show. This is our video wrap-up of another really good event. Had a lot of people through the door yesterday looking for new suppliers. They're having trouble getting their parts if they get them from overseas. So they're coming here to reshore.
It's my first time here. I came from Queens. I drove up today. It's a 2-hour drive. I do a lot of consumer goods. A lot of clients are requesting that, we make stuff in the U.S. So, I try each time,
The lighting business, for a long time, it left China. That's it.
Is it coming back?
Well, we're bringing it back.
Trying.
We've been bringing it back for the last bunch of years.
We got a big
We
truck.
started making our own wire. We started making our own wire. We started making our own turnings.
We're trying to make our own parts.
We're
turn our own
looking
stuff.
for platers. We're looking for people to
Help us
do
finish.
stuff here.
So here at the show, you'll see everything from the typical things: CNC machining, milling, tooling, plating, welding, 3D printing, cool machines that do very interesting things, CMM machines right on the floor.
It's to make sure that we're making it correctly at the beginning of the process so that at the end of the process, it's still correct. Let's just say it's easier for us to come here than it is for them to come into our facilities.
I've seen a lot of the cool 3D printers. I've seen it online. It's cool to see it in person.
I was looking for manufacturers and maybe things to use to manufacture. So both. We manufacture and we purchase.
So here we are, anything from V-process aluminum castings. This is what you can come and see when you're on the show floor. And this is what you bring to show. You show people what you could do. Yeah, you're not gonna make the exact thing for somebody else, but if they see your ability, your capabilities, your envelope size, what you can do, how fine the finish is, that's why you bring parts. A booth without parts is like a day without sunshine. You gotta bring your parts to the show.
Because
I get to shake hands. You get to meet the people. It's good to shake the hands and actually meet the companies that you're working with. It's not just about not seeing a face. You get to actually see the guys who's gonna come talk to you.
I would say it's a success.
So at this show we have 225 exhibitors. That's a lot on one show floor. Shows are really back. People are coming to see them and people are exhibiting. You need to get out there to find some new customers. You say, geez, I can't even handle the work I have, but guess what? If you're making pennies on one job, maybe you can make 20 pennies on another job, replace some of those old ones with new ones. People are going for different reasons. It's not necessarily marketing, it's upgrading your clientele.
Hi, I'm Mitch from AB Electronics. We're located in Brookfield, Connecticut. We're a contract manufacturer of PC boards, cable assemblies, and box builds. Today we'd like to show you one of our customers that we're working on a project for. This is called the Juice Bar. It's a charging station. You're going to be seeing these all over the place in parking lots, garages, gas stations. AB Electronics manufactures all the PC boards inside the box.
We are the world leader in mesh solutions. A mesh solution could be filtration, vibration, shock, mixing, a non-woven fiber. You don't have to be the expert. You can come to us, tell us what you're trying to achieve, and we would design a mesh product to fit your application.
So here we are in the 400 row, where there's some of the newer people who've never been in a show before. Unique, different things to show. Take a look at what's going on here. So this guy made a flying platform out of prototype parts. Amazing what can be done. As engineers come here to find out what's new, they don't just need one part, they need a whole assembly. They need multiple parts. They walk around and talk to one person, get a potential solution, and talk to others. Face-to-face is a great way to go.
Because you get to see quality, what the capabilities are. It's a very good show.
One thing you're going to see at our show, you don't have competitors side by side. You're enough apart where you can sell your own thing without getting in their way. We keep you separate. You have your own thing, whether your booth is a 10-foot booth or a 20-foot booth. Come and get into our show. We do 11 shows a year. We're back doing all of our shows. We're even back in California, which is a tough place that opened really slow. Other places we've done shows recently are Dallas, Texas, and Arlington, and Atlanta, and here we are in Connecticut. Come out and do a show.